So the Living Traditions, which puts on KlezKamp, had done one in the Bay Area in 1988 or so. And then they did another one in 1998. And my husband and I and our son went, and it was in Marin County at Walker Creek Ranch. And we had a terrific time. There were about 170 people. And we tried to get them to put it on again. And they said no, they had lost money. They weren't going to do it. So we local people decided that if we were going to have that same kind of immersion in Yiddish culture in the Bay Area, we were going to have to do it ourselves. So at first we thought about doing the same kind of event, a 5-day immersion at a hotel, but when we found out you have to put down $20,000 or $30,000 for the hotel to hold the rooms, that seemed more than we wanted to try. So we founded KlezCalifornia. We picked the name because it was like KlezKamp, and because at the time we thought that klezmer music would be the entree for people to the broader Yiddish culture rather than Yiddish being the entree to klezmer music. So we thought KlezCalifornia, we don't cover the whole state, but the name sounded alliterative. And we've put on 10 festivals in the last 10 years and lots of other things. But your question was how I got involved.